Every year, like clockwork, we get a call from a homeowner in the Ross Bridge subdivision of Hoover.
We got all these items right here that need to go.
She knows it's time for her annual backyard cleanup, and she knows Haul Squad makes it easy.
Brought my little bag here. I'm gonna load it up and pull it to the truck.
To make the job more efficient, we brought out our big green haul bags. Instead of running back and forth with small loads, we packed everything into these bags and moved it straight to the truck.
I love these bags. You can get these at Home Depot. Makes the job a lot easier. And here's the other pile we got. Just put down the soft things first, and then put the wood and heavier items on top. That way there it doesn't scratch anything. All right, second bag's filled. Like I always tell my sons, stay away from the cars. All right, got that bagged up, and then I think I'm going to have to carry this out and this out here. Can I get this all in one? Oh, let's see here. Maybe I can get all this in one trip.
Piece by piece, load after load, the backyard was cleared in no time.
So it's 3 bagsters. Each bagster carries about 3 cubic yards, but you can see they're not all the way full. So with everything total, it looks to be 7 cubic yards.
By the end, we had hauled away a total of 7 cubic yards of debris. And here's the best part. While she was on a conference call for work, her entire backyard was transformed. That's the Haul Squad way. Simple, efficient, and professional. If your backyard is ready for a cleanup, call 205-828-JUNK or book online at haulsquad.com.